Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. Just going to do a quick video. Yeah, I haven't said that for a while, have I? Going to have a quick video going through a few little items of information that could be helpful for everyone. Obviously, I'm trying to help as many people as I can, and yes, that you do become very popular. So I'm limited in time like everyone else, but I've got so many people to service. So we need to manage it. This is about managing it. So help me, help you, help me, help you by please listening and take a few notes perhaps. If you've got general questions, okay, please don't text my mobile. Let's go to the step before actually. Don't bother trying to ring. If I don't know you and it's just a number you're not stored in the phone doesn't even ring. So it's a waste of time. You can then listen to my voice for a few minutes till the voicemail runs out, telling you to not call and to please leave a text message with your name, vehicle details, because that's all that's going to happen, guys. The phone doesn't ring. Now, if you're a client, if you're a VIP and you're stored in the phone, you still need to text me and I will call you because I'm very busy. If the phone, people just keep ringing, I can't get anything done. So you need to text me because I may be able to direct you to another place, like one of these places, or someone else, or a video, which is going to save the call. We don't need the call. If there's a call that needs to happen, I'll actually call you. Let's discuss that in the text, you know, what you need, that sort of thing. In all our videos, we explain all the processes, how we do things. If you want suspension or injectors, you watch that video, then you do that. So please, if it's suspension, watch all the videos in the announcement about suspension, or it's in the playlist called, I think it's called Suspension or Dobinson Suspension on our YouTube channel, right? On this YouTube channel, 4x4 Diesel, right? We've got 2 YouTube channels. If you're not subscribed on both, you're probably missing out. We're going to get through this request list in a minute. This is a really good idea. This information is for anybody that would ever like to, or to bring their vehicle to the Prado Hospital ever again. It does pay to make a list like this. This is really good. So even more detail. So we're going to run through that in a minute. So if you've got general questions, okay, these are the main groups here. The Prado group, the Hilux group, only if you're in Australia, okay? For those ones, that's why they're called Oz Prado crew and Oz Hilux crew. If you're overseas, that's awesome. We know we've got a lot of people from other countries watching and appreciate your support. We've got these other groups, depending what engine you've got. Hashtag 1KZ Forever Crew, 1GD, 1KZ, 1GR. If you haven't got any of those engines, yes, the information can be relevant because we may be talking about one of those engines and it's the same system. So obviously still worth watching, but we haven't got groups for every engine, unfortunately, just the main ones what we work on. Obviously, as I said, our 2 YouTube channels. This one's the mechanical side, as you're watching now. The touring channel is a lot of touring Australia type information, tracks, the outback, the trips, the places. But when there's information like maybe maintenance that's got a lot to do with touring, or maybe accessories that might be touring, you're going to see less of that on the automotive channel, and that's going to be more on the touring channel. So but there'll be a little bit on both. So you could be missing out if you're not on both. So just check those out. If you want to stay in touch with what we're doing and when we're around and what hours and stuff like that, that's why we've got these 2 Facebook pages. Why have we got 2? One's the Prado Hospital. That's the information in relation to, you know, maybe stuff we do at the Prado Hospital, working on cars, things we find. We may update you. We might put a link from our YouTube channel on that page so that you can go, oh, you know, that's what they found today, something new, something different, something we haven't seen. Maybe showing you how to do something. Maybe it's showing you how to do a service or an oil change or whatever, that sort of thing. So the Prado Hospital is the service side of things, teaching, helping you, because obviously we haven't got enough people to be able to do all the work correctly. So we're trying to train more of you so you can do it yourselves, or technicians that are watching, teach them how to do things the right way. And obviously then we can send more of the other viewers to you guys. So Prado Hilux 100 FTV injectors. That's information mainly to do with injectors and our injector kits. We do supply a lot of injector kits, you know, comprehensive. We've got videos on that. Go and search those if you missed it. If you need to purchase injectors, we've got a playlist. It's called I think it's called How to Buy Our Parts Kits or something like that. Anyway, check out our playlists and those subheadings. There's not many to go through, maybe 20 at the moment. Might end up being 50, just like they'll end up being tens of thousands of videos. This video, just one piece of the million-piece jigsaw puzzle. So that covers that. If you're going to contact me, please don't call, please text. If you're going to text me, it needs to be in regards to purchasing parts or to book into the Prado Hospital. You can text me for a recommendation for one of our recommended workshop partners, depending where you are and how you write your message, who you are, and if you include the right information, if you get a referral. Depends how busy I am if you get a reply. I apologise in advance if you try and contact me and you send a text and I don't reply. Sometimes I just get smashed with text. Today I had lunch, put the phone down, it was all clear. After lunch, 14 text messages from 14 different people, right? That takes half an hour to an hour to sort out on its own, okay? Since then, we've packed some more parts, whatever. Now it's thought, it's time to make a video to let you know where things are at so you can help me, help you, help me. And please comment on our YouTube channels to let us know, preferably a positive, but we can take a bit of criticism so you can let us know what we could do better, that sort of thing. There's no issue there. Please give us a thumbs up when we're doing the right thing. Okay, let's go through this list here. One other thing, actually. Parts day's Monday. I know it bleeds into Tuesday, so it's kind of Monday, Tuesday, but you really need to get onto me if you can Monday morning, if you want your parts to get out Monday afternoon, or at least sometime Monday during school hours, if you want your parts to go out, because we still need to sort it out and pack it and whatever. If you even want them to go by Tuesday, I can't just pack and send parts every day, unfortunately. If we've got spare time and you're urgent, I can try and get it done, but you need to just try and get us at the right times, because obviously we've only got as much time as we've got. Now, let's take a look here. Did you notice that light changing? That was the clouds moving over. Amazing, huh? So it'll probably happen again. Let's have a look at this while we've got a bit of light. So someone's come in for a service and he's made his list, and that's awesome. So there's a couple of areas we could have a little bit more detail. Guys, please do this. We've got another new thing that I want to tell you about as well. I'm getting a lot of people inquiring about vehicle inspections. So we can do that. When we say vehicle inspection, it could be a pre-purchase, it could be after purchase, it could be just a general service type inspection. Okay, obviously the quickest thing for us to do and to be able to service more people is to inspect the vehicle. Now, we still may spend 1 to 2 hours usually inspecting your vehicle. It's a comprehensive check, bumper to bumper, checking everything on the car. I can spend that time checking the car. We can provide a video with that goes for about 10 minutes like we normally do, those inspection videos. We're going to start doing more of those specifically for people. So you come in, drop off your vehicle, leave it with us for a couple of hours or the day. We're going to try and book in a few a day. On one particular day of the week, it's probably going to be a Wednesday thing, maybe Wednesday or Thursday type thing. And we're going to dedicate the day. That way we can check more people's vehicles for them. Then we can tell you what you need to do. What are the next things, you know, the next steps. I can discuss it with you when you pick it up. Obviously the time for the drop-off discussion, the pickup discussion, the inspection, the diagnostic, whatever we do needs to be included. You're going to be looking around about the $250 to $330 mark for that inspection, okay? That doesn't include actually doing anything, okay? So we're happy if you're doing your own servicing, changing oil and filters and fuel filters and air filters, watching our video, but you've just purchased a vehicle or you're about to buy one, you put a deposit, you're 99% sure, and you want to bring it in for an inspection, we can do that. We can give you a video on it, and that way you've got, it's like a note back for you. You've got a video on, this is good, I'll do this at 250, start saving up for that, I'll do all that. You can watch it again, you can go back to it, guys. So it's something we're going to start doing. So with this job, it was rotors and pads, pretty straightforward. The pads and rotors got replaced. Service, filters and oils. So service, filters and oils. There's a lot of filters and oils. So let's be specific. So put a subheading service, filters and oils, and then write which oil. So here we've got diff and transfer case, no problem. Doesn't say anything about filters, does it? So this is awesome. I'm not picking on it. I'm just saying nice, neat handwriting, awesome, thumbs up. A list, thumbs up. Just a little bit more detail. Tyre rotation, just a little note for everybody there. My back isn't the best, and I avoid most jobs that include taking wheels off, like pads and rotors or suspension. We've got other workshops we recommend for that generally, but we do the odd job here, and we get some helpers to help out with these sorts of jobs. So it can happen with tyre rotation. Generally, where you buy your tyres, and we don't sell tyres, haven't got time for that either. We can hopefully recommend some places depending where you are, but they generally do your tyre service, maintenance, that sort of thing. So your tyre rotate and balance needs to go to them or somewhere else. We don't do tyre rotate and balance, but if the wheels are off doing the brakes and you want us to swap them front to rear, and you want to risk the rear's being out of balance going on the front, you drive out with your steering shaking, not my fault, okay? I'm telling you now, I don't do wheel balancing. Fuel additive, someone wanted some fuel additive. We can supply the box of fuel additive. You need to let me know in advance so I make sure I've got enough in stock to be able to do that. If you tell me, oh, none there, or 4 people in one day want a box and bada bing, it's gone, right? Rear door shims, kaon.com.au for the rear door shims. If you buy them and supply them, then we can help install those or send you to someone who can. Check out those videos. We'll do another video installing rear door shims if you like. Rear window Prado sticker, yeah, a lot of people want one of those. Generally, we don't keep them here. If you want a Oz Prado Crew sticker or a Oz Hilux Crew sticker, you're going to find those by searching on either of those two groups. Search stickers. Just put the word stickers and see what comes up, and you'll find the person. There's a representative in each group who takes care of distributing those stickers. But in this case, we had one there, so we fitted it. So it's the best sticker and the best sticker fitted in Australia. Anyway, noise vibration when, this is a good one, guys. Noise vibration when engine, trans, operating temp, when vehicle stationary, foot on brake, transmission in drive. If you touch a throttle or select neutral, it goes away. Okay. In this vehicle, I didn't find anything that was abnormal other than the phone charger rubbing on the console. They're diesels, guys. Anything like wires or loose things sitting around on your console, particularly near your low range shift lever, you know, it's going to make a sort of rattly, vibrating sound. I think that's what it was in this car. We may have a follow-up and confirm in another video later, so I hope you like that if you hung around and chat about rear suspension. We sort of chatted about it. Anyway, we're going to talk about it some more, and bada bing, bada boom. That's it, guys. It is bada bing, bada boom. Hopefully that information's helped you understand what's going on here at the Prado Hospital and 4x4 Diesel, what we're doing. Please give us a thumbs up, helping you, help me, help you, and we're going to have more awesome videos coming your way. If you haven't already, please subscribe and turn the bell on. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.